So, good evening, attorney. So, tonight I'm going to do the blinded recitations of Rule 130, Section 3 and 10 of the Revised Rules of Court. But before that, I'm going to let you check my ears and how I put this blindfold in my eyes. So, Section 3, original document must be produced, exception. When the subject of the inquiry is the content of a document, writing, recording, photographs, or other records, no evidence is admissible other than doc- the document itself, except on the following cases: when the original is lost or destroyed or cannot be produced in court without bad faith in the part of the offerer; when the original is in the custody or under the control of the party against whom the evidence is offered, and the latter fails to produce it after reasonable notice, or original cannot be obtained by local judicial processes or procedure. When the original consists of numerous accounts or other document which cannot be examined in court without great loss of time, but the fact sought to be established from them is only the general result of the whole. When the original is public record in the custody of public officer or is recorded in public office, and when the original is not closely related to a controlling issue. Section 10, evidence of written agreement. When the terms of agreement have been reduced in writing, is considered as containing all the terms agreed upon, and there can be as between the party and their successor in interest no evidence of such term other than the content of the written agreement. However, a party may present evidence in however a party may present evidence to modify, explain, or add to the terms of a written agreement if he or she puts in issue in a verified pleadings an intrinsic ambiguity, mistakes, or imperfections of the written agreement. The failure of the written agreement to express the true intent and agreement of the parties thereto. The validity of the written agreement, or the existence of the term agreed to by the parties, or the parties, or to the existence of the terms agreed to by the parties or the successors in interest after the execution of written agreement. The term agreement includes wills. So that's all, attorney. Thank you.